Hey guys, what's going on? This is Pierfish in New York and I'm bringing you guys a brand new video. This video was recorded April 15th, 2019 and I'm fishing a portion in the Hudson River targeting striped bass. But there is a twist to today, and the twist is I am going to be tagging striped bass, in which I became a member of the tagging program from the American Littoral Society. And if you want to get any information from them, you can go and visit them at www.littoralsociety.org, and I'll list that link in the description below. And we're gonna get into this video. Right now I'm bringing in this 24-inch striped bass, and this is gonna be the fish that I tag for the day, and it's a nice little chunky one. And you're gonna see how I tag it, where I tag it, and yeah, let's get into this video. There you go. Nice size keeper. Yeah. There you go. Right in the lip. Nice little bass. This one is 24. Alright guys, we're gonna tag this fish and release him. Alright, so with the tagging process, you would always want to put a rag over the fish's eyes. In this case, I didn't have a rag, so I had like a wet bag that I had in the bucket, so I'm using that instead. And you're going to poke through by pushing back a scale or two towards the tail area of the fish, and then you're going to push through the tag through that needle that you have that threaded through the striped bass, and then you're going to pull that needle right through, in which the tag will be put through with it. And now you're going to just put 2 overhand knots and pull as tight as you can, leaving an inch of space with the loop for growth so that the striped bass can grow with the tag. And then you're going to cut off the excess tag ends, and then that's all you need to do. That fish is tagged and ready to be released. Nice little 24 going back. Nice little healthy bass. Releasing her. Let's get bigger. There she goes. Nice little release on a 24-inch bass. After that 24-inch striper that was caught, the weather changed for the worse and started blowing over 25 miles per hour with downpour. And I don't know if I got it on video, but if I did, I'll put that in, but I'm pretty sure I didn't. But as you can see in the clouds got darker. You probably hear a few portions of the video with some wind, and it got pretty bad, but I was able to slip on my Frog Tog bibs and my Frog Tog jacket, and I was pretty good to stay out there while everybody was running to their cars. And I was still catching them in the rain with all that 25-mile-per-hour wind. And you know, it pays off to have some good rain gear. You know, I was perfectly dry throughout the whole day besides my hands. And yeah, I was able to get some action during the rain. Nothing too big, you know, everything was around the same size. Biggest of the day was that first one with the one that I tagged. That was 24 inches. But all in all, it's better to be out there than staying home doing nothing. So, you know, whenever you get a chance, try to get a line wet and enjoy yourself when you can. Alright guys, I hope you enjoy the rest of this video. And if you do, please give it a like, comment, and if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. A lot more videos coming soon. I have a video that I'm going to be releasing in a couple days that should be a good one. It was pretty dark, you know, it was a night session, but I was able to tag a 28.5 incher, so stay tuned for that. And also caught a 31-inch striped bass that I kept for the table. So yeah, more videos coming soon. And yes, we shall see what happens for the future. And yeah, tight lines guys, and I'll see you guys on the next one.